Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa. Scratch that. Happy Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. Bam, that's it. And Happy New Year as well. And with those words, you know what time it is. CES 2026 is right around the corner. And guys, every year I go through what to expect at the big show from all the major players. And this year it is no different. We got a lot of tech to get to. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Samsung is going big. We're talking a full Micro RGB TV lineup, smart appliances that solve real problems, and yes, a refrigerator with Google Gemini inside. Your fridge is about to be smarter than some people you know. But before we dive deep into all that, if you're new to the channel and enjoy staying up to date with the latest tech news, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, smash that like button. All right, let's get into it. Last year, Samsung dropped a 115-inch Micro RGB TV. Amazing color accuracy, $30,000 price tag. This year, they're expanding it to 55, 65, 75, 85, 100, and 115 inches. A lot of models, covers the gamut. Quick refresher, Micro RGB uses tiny red, green, and blue LEDs instead of white backlights. You get more accurate colors and tighter dimming control. Not quite OLED contrast, but brightness and color accuracy, that's hard to beat. The big flex here is Micro RGB Precision Color 100. VDE, certified for 100% BT 2020 ACR coverage. Near broadcast monitor level accuracy. The new Micro RGB AI Engine Pro handles frame by frame processing plus glare-free tech, Dolby Atmos, and Adaptive Sound Pro. No pricing for smaller sizes yet, but if that 15-inch was $30,000 last year, start doing mental math on that tax refund. Samsung booth is all about AI connected living, and honestly, the stuff addresses real problems. Let's talk about the Bespoke AI Laundry Combo. Now, this is a super speed cycle with high pressure spray, but the real feature is Auto Open Door Plus. So after washing, the door opens and circulates fresh air so your clothes don't get musty. Now, if you're anything like me, you've left your clothes in the washing machine overnight. You know what? This machine will not punish you for it for just being a normal human being. Now, the Bespoke AI Air Dresser, this handles the in-between clothes, so not quite dirty enough to wash, but not quite fresh enough to wear. Steam and air for wrinkle care and odor removal. Your dress shirts will thank you. The Bespoke AI Windfree Pro AC, this has radar-based AI which detects where people are and adjusts the airflow towards and away from them. One person may want Antarctica, another may want the Sahara Desert. Now, the AC handles both without passively aggressive thermostat wars. Bespoke AI Jetbot Stream Ultra. The standout is AI liquid recognition. It detects spills and either cleans them or avoids them based on your settings. Nothing kills trust in a robot vacuum faster than watching it spread a puddle across your floor. This one asks permissions first. Well, sorta. Now, the Gemini powered fridge. The Bespoke AI Refrigerator Family Hub has Google Gemini inside. There's a camera inside that recognizes food, suggests recipes, flags expired items, and manages energy use. Voice control too. So ask it to open the door if your hands are full, it will do that for you. Less food waste, lower bills, no mystery containers. A+ in my book. Now, let's not forget about SmartThings. SmartThings gets Matter 1.5 support with camera compatibility. Partner products from Aqara, Eve, Ulticam are expected in March of 2026. Also, improved support for blinds, garage doors, and energy management. A smart home only works when everything talks to each other. Now, imagine one night you go in the kitchen and everything is talking to each other. Well, that actually kind of happens today. It's called Gibberlink. Look it up. Beyond Micro RGB, they're not forgetting about their other TVs. Expect a refreshed Neo QLED 8K and 4K models. Updated OLED lineup. Last year's S95F was a standout. And Vision AI everywhere with upscaling, scene recognition, and live translation are all expected. Now, the Odyssey gaming monitors should get updates as well. Possible faster refresh rates and curved 4K display, maybe 500 Hz at 4K instead of 1440p. One can hope. There's also talk of WOLED monitors, high brightness, great dark tones, slight color saturation trade-off. Good for gaming competitively. Now for Samsung, CES 2026 is less about flashy demos and more about solving everyday annoyances. Laundry that forgives you, ACs that keep the peace between you and your spouse, robot vacuums that don't make spills worse, and a fridge that actually helps. Samsung is not playing around. Micro RGB TVs are the showstoppers here, but the smart home stuff might be the real story. As over the years, Samsung has continued to make a lot of evolutions in this area. But let me know down in the comment section, is it the Micro RGB or the Gemini fridge? Drop your comments down below. Once again, I want to thank you for taking time out to watch this video. I appreciate you for watching it. If you want to stay up to date on the latest news from CES, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and if you want even more videos from CES, make sure you check out one of these two videos right here. And until the next video, guys, stay nerdy.